Suppose your data is in column A, and it has some blank cells that you want to fill with the value from the cell above. So you start by identifying the column with data. Insert a new column next to column A. This will be column B, where you'll apply the formula. In the first cell of the new column, B1, type aus A1 and press Enter. This step copies the value from the first cell of your original data column, A1, into the first cell of the new column, B1. The reason for copying directly is that there is no cell above B1 to reference with a formula. Fourth, apply the formula. Starting in the second row, move to the second cell in the new column, B2, where you want to apply the formula. Click on the FX button next to the formula bar. This will open the Insert Function dialog box. In the Insert Function dialog box, type if in the search bar and click Go. Then select it from the list of functions and click OK. You will now see the function arguments window for the IF function. Here's how to fill in each field. Logical test. This is the condition you want to check. In this case, you want to check if the cell in column A is empty. So in the logical test box, type A2 down. Value if true. This is what the formula should return if the condition is true. If A2 is empty, you want to return the value from the cell above in column B. So in the value if true box, type B1. Value if false. This is what the formula should return if the condition is false. If A2 is not empty, you want to return the value from A2 itself. So in the value if false box, type A2. Once you have filled in all the fields, click OK. The formula will now appear in cell B2. So the summary of what each field means is the following logical test checks. If cell A2 is empty, value if true. If A2 is empty, B2 will take the value from B1. Finally, value if false. If A2 is not empty, B2 will take the value from A2. Fifth, drag the formula down to fill all necessary cells. After entering the formula in B2, click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down through the entire column B. This action will apply the formula to all the cells in the column. By doing this, you ensure that all blank cells in column A are filled with the appropriate values from the row above. Sixth, review the filled values in the new column. As you drag the formula down, check column B to see that all the blank cells have been filled with the correct values. If column A has new data, it will automatically appear in column B where applicable. Finally, convert the formulas to values if needed. If you want to replace the formulas in column B with actual values, select the entire column B, press Ctrl+C to copy it, then right-click and choose Paste Special and select Values. This step replaces the formulas with static values in column B.